In this Python Turtle graphics tutorial, we will learn how to use the Setundobuffer function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I created an empty window. I want to draw a square using a for loop. I make the loop run for times using the range property. I move the turtle object forward 250 units. I rotate the turtle object 90 degrees to the left. I drew a square. I can undo turtle moves using the undo function. 2 operations are performed in each cycle. It is repeated 4 times. If I call the undo function 8 times, the turtle object will return to its starting position after the square is drawn. We need a buffer to use the undo function. The default buffer value is quite high. However, in order to use the memory usefully, we may want to shrink this memory. There may be many different reasons for changing the buffer size. To do this, we use Setundobuffer. I set the buffer value to 5. Even if the undo function is repeated 8 times, only 5 operations can be undone because the buffer value is 5. We can use the undo buffer entries function to reach the buffer value. Thanks to this function, I can print the buffer value to the console screen. I try again by changing the buffer value. Now that we know the buffer value, we can regulate the number of runs of the undo function by creating a while loop. The loop ran 7 times. Let's take a look at the response of the undo function by changing the buffer value. Since the buffer value was 8, the turtle object could return to the starting point. If the buffer value was 4, the turtle object would not be able to return to the starting point. In this video, we learned how to use the Setundobuffer function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.